Awka State today reporting. This place in Awka a connecting road from Umuogbu to Umuogbu. This place in Awka, that road that leads to underground. Looking ahead of you, you will see an upstairs that is underground. Yes, His Excellency is doing very well in Awka. Awka is changing. Awka is changing. Awka is now so beautiful. This road now will link to underground road that lead to Ichie. Okay, that is road. This is actually based underground. It's underground. It's underground. But about to Ichie. Ichie. That is the road. No market this place before. But today, Awka has changed to something else. So beautiful. His Excellency, kudos for you. We really appreciate. This is Umuogbu lead to Ichie. Because some people are always like, because everywhere is so confusing. Yes. So we are heading to Ichie, start to Ichie, Neboye. That is where this road will pass to. From that place, you get to Mudianem. Yes. Share, like, and comment, and subscribe. My next video, I will show you from that junction opposite Ichie to Umudiani. You see the way, you see how the road is. His Excellency Charles Ludo is doing very well in Awka. He will land again. Long way Christmas. Yes. Now you will see. See the road I'm talking about. After that, Ichie. By the side, here obviously Ichie statue. So you can understand. Because some people are there, but with this statue, now you must go Ichie after go. Yes. Comment, like, and share. For my next video, I will show you Umudiani, the road that leads to Umudiani. Thank you. Bye.